Rookie of the Years, MJ. Let's check him out. Sneaker Notes.
And from the Chicago Bulls, Michael Jordan.
They call me Notes, huh? I said they call me Notes, huh? That's what they screaming at my shows, huh? Get a pen and take notes, huh? They call me Notes. What up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. Happy Thanksgiving, man. I'm not going to keep y'all too long. Like I said, I told y'all as soon as the Rookie of the Years come in, I'm going to hurry up and do the review. So they came in yesterday. I was super busy yesterday, but today I got a little bit of time on Thanksgiving. So we're going to get into that review. Before we get into that, tomorrow, Black Friday, the Yeezy Sesames drop. And as you can see, I got two pairs coming, man. So, you know. One of them things two times. So tomorrow, the Yeezy Sesames are dropping. One more time, they look like this. Let me know in that comment section below if you looking to cop or if you just going to let them sit. I'm going to cop them so I can do the review for y'all. I don't know if I'm going to keep them. I need to see them in hand. Not really big on those. Other than that, November 24th, you get another crack at the Union Jordan 1s. So that's good, man. Wish everybody luck on that. Before we get into the shoe, you already know what we got to do here. Ain't nothing new because it's Thanksgiving. This segment here is called What's on Foot. So I want you to go in that comment section below right now. Write down in that comment section below what you rocking on foot today. Today I was Thanksgiving. I just got in. Check me out. No pulling up in Porsches. Polo sweats, hold your horses. Nigga. Yeah, so in memory of foam posits keep coming out with different colorways and sitting, I said today I'm going to put on a pair. I forget the name of that pair. I don't know if it's Aqua, Sea. It's a whole bunch of freaking names for these foam posits. But they're a nice light blue. Today on foot I got on the foam posits. In that comment section below, let me know what you got on foot. Now, without further ado, hit the intro. Unboxing time. Bam. Another regular Jordan 1. It's Thanksgiving. I'm going to save the rant today. Jordan, change the Jordan 1 box, man. We need something new, man. So, your regular Jordan 1 1985 box, size 10.5. That means they belong to me. Flip open the lid. Let's take the left shoe out. Let's do a 360 on them. Now the first thing I thought when I saw this sneaker was, why did they pick this color? And then I seen when Jordan won a Rookie of the Year, when his acceptance speech, he had on a coat this color. Let me take y'all to that.
On behalf of Miller Brewing Association, I'm very happy to receive the award, although, Keem and other rookies in the league, just the same won the award as I have.
Yeah, so basically, they just put this Harvest brown or whatever color, because this is the color of the jacket he wore in his acceptance speech for Rookie of the Year. One thing I could tell you, this nubuck is premium. Premium nubuck. Go to the toe box. As you can see, toe box got a little bit of shattered backboard, man. I know y'all love to compare things to the shattered backboard material, but let's get a little closer. It ain't far from the shatter. It's more like the bread toe ones that came out earlier. But it definitely had that tumble leather. Definitely tumbled. Come around. More Harvest nubuck. Dope material, man. A little more of that tumble. These come with the included red shoestrings. Might pop. It might pop. I might change to the red shoestrings. It does make the sneaker pop a little bit. Of course, on your tongue, you got your regular Nike Air. You bring it around. And this is actually leather. This is my first time seeing a leather piece on the Jordan 1 tongue. It's not that nylon. This is leather. Take the shoe tree out. And your insole is the same Harvest Brown. The Nike Air logo there. Your sock liner, soft black. Also that same leather that's on this tongue. Maybe the same leather that's on the swoosh. I'm trying to see that tumble right there. On your outsole, your regular black, just like the Jordan 1 PSG review I just did. Same outsole, same black, uptown look. Grab this shoe right here. No difference in the right shoe. So now these Jordan 1 Rookie of the Years came out to show Jordan, you know, to accommodate Jordan and all his highlights he'd had. Rookie of the Year 1985. I actually got a Jordan Rookie of the Year card somewhere around here. But on a scale of 1 to 10, if we're going to just talk about the material, I'm going to give this shoe an 8. If we're going to talk about the color, I'm going to give this shoe a 6. I really don't like this color, but the material, this nubuck suede is beautiful, man. If you ever get a chance to get it in hand, you'll understand exactly what I'm saying. That's why I'm trying to get close so you can really try to get a look at how good this material is. The sneakers tumbled. That's for sure. Tumbled leather. Let me know in the comment section below if you cop. They sold out, but StockX got them for close to retail. Close to retail. Not too far off. Nothing crazy. Again, your Jordan 1 Rookie of the Year. It's Thanksgiving. Not trying to keep y'all too long. Enjoy, man. Get rich.